Discover the revolutionary way to update your Shopify themes effortlessly with Theme Updater. Imagine upgrading your store without fear of losing precious custom settings and content. With Krown themes now on board, users can enjoy seamless migration and backup features. Theme Updater acts like a personal assistant, neatly relocating your layout and designs automatically. Say goodbye to tedious copying and pasting. Theme Updater moves everything in a flash. Rest assured your custom code remains intact, safeguarding the unique personality of your store. Simply click the update button and watch as your store transforms to the latest version. Theme Updater now proudly supports over 40 Shopify themes, expanding your updating capabilities. Award-winning Krown Themes, recipient of Shopify's Build Award, represents the pinnacle of quality design. Experience the magic of effortless updates and retain your store's charm every time you upgrade.